Yo, what's up guys, this is Bart Bragman here from IKEoptionWiki.com today with another tutorial video. In this video I want to talk about practicing and our trading log trading tool on our website. When you start out with trading, it's important to of course practice, and what you need to do, you need to track down your progress. You can do that on pen and paper. You can do that in your own spreadsheet or whatever you like to do, but we designed a nice tool that can track your progress a little bit. You can have these questions that we ask that makes you a better trader. So now let's go to IKEoptionWiki.com over here, and if you have not made a demo account yet, right sidebar, sign up, you get a free demo account. But what we're going to talk about is the go to trading tools and then trade progress logger. Brings you on the page. This is 100% free still. Maybe we will put a payment gateway in the future there, but for now it's still free. It's still pretty basic. We're trying to add on new things in the future in this trading logger, but for now you can open a free demo account. It's very easy. Registration process is just your email and your password, and then you're in. Let's log in. Now, so to walk you quickly through it, on the left side you have the calendar, and in there you can see what days were green days and what days were red days, so what were losing days and what were winning days. Under there you have the overall evaluation, the trading logger. If you fill everything in correctly, it will measure how many percent of your trades were winning, and you have your winning trades, losing trades, and your total profit. It keeps track of that as well. So yeah, let's make an example. For example, today I made 6 winning trades and I lost 3 trades. I made a profit today of $144. I learned today to time my trades at the right moment. And daily notes: don't trade assets with high volatility. Just an example here, like that, and then you just click on update, and then yeah, so you click on update, and then you see here that the day becomes green, and you can the next day fill in your next day, next details, and so you can keep a little bit track of your trading, of your progress, especially if you start out. This is very helpful for binary option traders, to track your trading, to make notes. What did you learn? How much profit do you make? Because at the moment you become consistently profitable, that's the moment you're gonna start making real virtual money. So that about said of this tool. It's very helpful, and let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. Like and subscribe. This is Bart. Happy trading.